Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Notion. This is a fantastic way to collect feedback, conduct surveys, or gather information from your team or audience directly within your workspace. Let's jump right in. First, open Notion and select the workspace you want to work in. Once you're in your chosen workspace, head over to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll click on New Page to create a fresh page specifically for your form. Alternatively, if you already have a page where you'd like to add the form, you can simply open that existing page instead. This flexibility allows you to organize your forms exactly where they make the most sense for your workflow. Now that you're on your page, it's time to add the actual form block. Type a /per inch to open Notion's block menu. This menu gives you access to all the different content types you can add. In the search field, type form and select it from the options. Or you can scroll down through the menu until you spot form and click it. When you insert the form block, Notion will automatically create 2 default empty questions to get you started. Next, click on the form title area at the top of your form. This is where you'll give your form a clear descriptive name that reflects its purpose. For example, you might type something like feedback form or event registration, depending on what information you're collecting. A clear title helps respondents understand what they're filling out right away. Now let's build out your questions. Scroll down within the form and you'll see a plus button. Click this button to insert a new question field. For each question you add, you'll notice a drop-down menu that lets you choose the question type. Click on this drop-down and select the field type that best suits the information you need. Your options include text for open-ended responses, multiple choice for selecting from predefined options, date for scheduling information, checkbox for yes or no answers, and email for collecting email addresses. Choose the type that makes the most sense for each question. After selecting your question type, click into the question field itself and type out your actual question. Be clear and specific so respondents know exactly what you're asking. Repeat this process of clicking the plus button, selecting a question type, and typing your question text for as many questions as you need to add. This modular approach makes it easy to build comprehensive forms tailored to your exact needs. Once you've added all your questions, click Preview in the top right corner of the form. This lets you see exactly what your form will look like to anyone filling it out, and it's a great way to test that everything works as intended before you share it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.